You're a programmer. You can build things that don't exist yet. That's a superpower. But most developers just trade hours for dollars and call it a day. That's one way. It's the safe way. But it's not the only way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual paths I've seen developers take to make real money.
Number 1, freelancing.
Everybody knows about Upwork and Fiverr, and everybody gets screwed by their fees. They take a cut of everything you earn. Plus, you're competing with developers who charge 10 bucks an hour. So here's the real way to freelance. Get off the platforms. Find clients directly. How? Go where businesses hang out. LinkedIn, industry Slack groups, Reddit communities, local meetups. Just be helpful. Answer questions. Show you know your shit. I know a developer who built a whole freelancing career just by posting in a Facebook group for real estate agents. He said, I can build you a tool that automatically pulls property data from public records. 3 months later, he had 6 clients paying him a retainer. The money in freelancing comes from solving specific problems for specific industries. Learn their pain points. Build a small tool, charge a monthly fee or a project rate, and the best part is raise your rates every single year. The clients who value you will stay. The ones who don't, let them find someone cheaper. You don't want them anyway.
Number 2, build a micro-SaaS.
This one's my favorite because it's the closest thing to set it and forget it. Micro-SaaS means a tiny software product that solves one very specific problem for one very specific type of user. Example, a developer I know built a tool that automatically generates privacy policy documents for small e-commerce stores. That's it. That's the whole product. He charges $19 a month. He has 400 customers. Do the math. That's about $90,000 a year for a tool he built in 2 weekends. The key is to find a boring, annoying problem that people will pay to stop dealing with. Think about manual data entry, report generation, file conversion, compliance checks. These are not sexy problems, but businesses hate them enough to pay. You don't need 1 million users. You need 100 users who really need what you built. That's it. Start with a waitlist. Find 10 people who say, yes, I would pay for this. Build the absolute minimum version. Charge them. Improve based on their feedback. That's how you avoid building something nobody wants.
Number 3, the salary path.
The classic, get a job. Nothing wrong with it. A stable salary pays the bills while you figure out the rest. But here's the mistake most people make. They take the first offer. They don't negotiate. They stay 3 years too long at a place that's underpaying them. The companies with the deepest pockets right now are in finance, healthcare tech, and anything involving AI infrastructure. Those places will pay you stupid money if you have the right skills. The trick is to job hop every 2 years or leverage competing offers.
No.
I've seen developers bump their pay by 40% just by saying, I have another offer for X, can you match it? That's a 5-minute conversation that changes your entire year. So yeah, get the job, but don't get comfortable. The salary path works best when you treat it as a foundation, not a destination. Number 4, sell digital products. You write code every day. Some of that code is reusable. React components, Tailwind templates, automation scripts, boilerplates, Figma plugins. Why are you giving that away for free? There's a whole market for developers selling digital products. UI kits, Laravel starter kits, Chrome extensions, VS Code themes. Price them anywhere from $29 to $299. Sell them on Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or your own site. The beauty of digital products is that you make it once and it can sell forever. Every sale is pure profit after the initial effort, and you don't have to deal with clients, meetings, or scope creep. Start small. Pick something you've already built for yourself. Clean it up, write some documentation, put a price on it, put it out there. You'll be surprised what people will pay for it. Number 5, YouTube and content. I know. Every YouTuber tells you to start a YouTube channel, but here's why it actually makes sense for developers. You already have valuable knowledge that other people want. How to debug a memory leak, how to set up CI, how to refactor a messy code base. That's content. And content brings in money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and selling your own products. You don't need 1 million subscribers. You need 1,000 loyal viewers who trust your advice. That's enough to land sponsorships from tools you already use. The catch? It takes time, 6 months to a year before you see real money. But once it starts, it keeps growing. And unlike freelance work, you don't trade hours for dollars. You make a video once, and it earns while you sleep. Number 6, teach what you know. You know more than a lot of people. Maybe not compared to that senior architect at Google, but compared to someone trying to learn JavaScript for the first time, you're a wizard. Teaching is a legit way to make money. You can create a course on Udemy, Skillshare, or your own platform, you can offer one-on-one coaching for developers who are stuck. You can do group cohort-based courses where you walk people through a project over 4 weeks. The numbers work. A only $20 course with 500 students is $10,000. That's not fantasy. That's just basic math. But here's the real opportunity. Corporate training. Companies will pay thousands of dollars to bring in someone to teach their junior devs React or Python. If you can get in with 1 or 2 companies as a contractor, you can make a full-time living teaching a few days a month. Start by offering a free workshop at a local meetup or online. Record it. Use that as your portfolio. Then start pitching. Don't overthink it. You don't need to be the world's expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're teaching. Look, I just gave ways to make money as a programmer. If you try to do all of them, you'll do none of them. That's just how it works. And remember, the money follows value. If you're solving a real problem for someone who feels the pain, they will pay you. Figure out the pain first, then figure out the code.